welcome back to our channel Learn with Sahira. Students, in this video I am going to say you all degree first semester set papers, non-core subjects BCS, FOC, EVS, paper pattern, paper presentation as well as the tips and tricks to score O grade in these subjects. If you follow this video, then definitely you can score O grade in your set paper, children, no doubt at all. If you want to watch the video, then watch the video till end. Don't skip in between, don't leave the video in between, because this video will be really very useful for you to attempt 17th December examination, that is your non-core subjects BCS, FOC and EVS. Few people will have BCS, few will have FOC, few will have EVS. So all the three subjects, paper pattern, presentation and tips and tricks I am going to share in this video ma. Already I have shared EVS paper pattern and presentation video how to score O grade, but many of the students didn't watch that video and asking me to re-upload it. And for BCS, many of the students have commented, ma'am, paper pattern, presentation, tips and tricks to score O grade. So that is why I thought to make the full video of three subjects, because these three subjects are also of only 40 marks. These are the similar subjects ma. Okay, EVS is different, but these two, BCS and FOC, are similar subjects. How? I will say you watch the video till end and share this video with your friends too, so that it will be beneficial and helpful for them. And also, if you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel Learn with Sahira for more videos. And if you didn't join my Telegram channel till now, join my Telegram channel. I will share the link of my Telegram channel in the description. Okay, so go to the description, click on the link and join my Telegram channel. Okay, without wasting any time, let us get started. Okay, so BCS, Basic Computer Skills, FOC, Fundamentals of Computer, EVS, Environmental Studies or Environmental Science. All these subjects you are having on 17th of December. Yes or no? Few will have EVS, few will have FOC, few will have BCS. According to the colleges, what the colleges have chosen the non-core subject for them, you will be having that exam. Okay, already I have uploaded the video. What exam you are having? If you didn't watch, you watch it. So, all the three subjects will consist of 40 marks. Only 40 marks on your languages. Sorry, in your languages, in your subjects, you will be having 80 marks. But these are your non-core subjects which will have only 40 marks and for 2 hours only. Okay, 2 hours. 2 hours subject examination. In 2 hours only you have to complete the 40 marks paper. And how these 40 marks are divided, let us see. These 40 marks are divided into 2 parts. Part A, Part B. 3 of the subjects BCS, FOC, EVS also 2 parts. Part A, Part B. Part A will consist of short question answers. Part B will consist of long question answers. Okay. So here, how many marks are allotted and how many pages you have to write for short answers and long answers, I will discuss. Okay. So for short, only 10 marks are allotted for Part A. Okay. Part A will consist of 10 marks. Part B will consist of 30 marks. In total, how much mark? 10 plus 30 equals to 40. Yes or no? So here 10 marks. One question will carry you 5 marks. So 2 into 5 equals to 10. Yes or no? Here 2 into 15 equals to 30. Yes or no? So here also you need to attempt 2 questions. Here also you need to attempt 2 questions. How the questions will be asked? Now I will say. See, you will be given 4 questions in Part A. Okay. So in these 4 questions you will have choice. Either you can go with 1, 3, 4, 2 of your choice. में internal choice नहीं रहता. आपको जो मर्जी है, आप जो लिखना है वो लिख सकते. Okay. In 4 questions you will have the choice to whatever question you have to answer. Okay, if you are going with 1, 5 marks, 4, 5 marks, 10 marks. Yes or no? So, no, I don't want to go with 1. Then you can go with 2. Okay. ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇక్కడ రాయొచ్చు మీరు. ఓకేనా? Only 2 questions you need to attempt. Many of the students are asking, ma'am, in our model papers, in our previous year question papers, We are just having 2 questions. So will they ask like that only 2 questions? No. 4 questions will be asked. 2 questions will be under the choice, and these 4 questions will be asked from 1 and 2 units. In these subjects you are having only 2 units ma. 4, 5, 6 units you are not having. Only 2 units will be there. From these 2 units only they will be asking the questions. 2 questions will be from first unit. 2 questions will be from second unit. Okay. Whatever choice you need to attempt, you can attempt ma. Okay. Though 4 questions will also be from 2 units. 2 from 1 unit, 2 from 2 unit. Now you will ask how many marks ma'am for this. Means it will be 10. Now you will ask me how many pages we have to write. Ma, as it is 5 marks, you have to write 1.5 page or 1 page. Okay, but half page, 4 lines, 5 sentences, no. You have to write. If you are intelligent students, if you want O grade, then try to write 1.5 page. If you write the 1 page also, no worries, no issues. But to impress the corrector who is correcting the papers, oh yes, this girl or boy know much information about the question, so they have written a long answer, like that they have to assume. So you can write 1.5 page or 1 page. Okay, so this is what it is about your part A. 1.5 or 1 page. 1 question will carry you 5 marks. In total 10 marks. 4 questions will be given. 4 questions will be from 2 units. 2 will be from 1 unit. 2 will be from second unit. This is what about your part A. Now let us go to the part B. Here if it is 4 questions, how many questions here it will be? 5, 6. Yes or no? Now don't think only 2 questions will be asked. 4 questions will be asked in total. Why I am saying 4? In 5 you will have A, B, or option will be there. In 6 again you are having A or B. 5th question will be given from unit 1. 6th question will be given from unit 2. Okay, so if you be perfect with 1 unit also, you can score 20 marks. Half marks kahin bhi nahi jate. If you be perfect with only 1 unit, then 20 marks will be in your hands. Here 1 question 5 marks, here 1 question 15 marks. Yes or no? If you want O grade, you have to be perfect with both the units. Okay, I have already uploaded EVS important questions, BCS important questions, FOC important questions. If you didn't watch that video, go to that videos and watch the video. You will have the idea about how questions will be asked. Okay, if you are going with A, leave B. If you are going with B, leave A. Okay, like that internal choice will be there. Already you have written English exam, second language exam. You have an idea about this. Yes, no, how the question will be asked. Okay, now how many pages we have to write? Means at least 3. 2 hours will be there, no ma. In 2 hours you can write 3 pages or 3.5 or 4. But to write 4 pages, that much time you will not have. So 3 or 3.5 is enough to score 15 marks. 3.5 must and necessary. Don't write 2 and expect 15 marks. No. 3 must be written in your answer booklet. Okay. And you have to present your answers very perfectly. How to present the answers? Let me say. This is about the paper pattern, ma. So here, did you understand? In the 5 question, A will be from unit 1, B will also be from unit 1. So if you be perfect with 1 unit, you can attempt 1 question. Okay. So paper presentation, let us see. So this will be the paper, yes or no? Answer booklet. Your answer booklet will be of single line, single rule. Plain paper will not be there. Plain book. So your answer booklet will start from 3rd page. Yes or no? First page will be your details. Don't do mistake in details. If you are using white color, if you are just striking the answer, no. Don't do that. Already before the examinations I have said you how to present the details. Please take your time and fill the details neatly, correctly, perfectly. Don't use markers, sketches, all that in the page 1 details. Details are really very necessary. Then 2nd page will be instructions. From 3rd page your booklet will start and end with 28 page. Okay, how you have to draw the margin? You have to draw the margin from here. Okay, try to draw from here because this is EVS, no? So if you draw, then you can manage. जल्दी जल्दी हो जाता, मतलब एक 4-5 वर्ड्स लिखते कि एक लाइन खत्म हो जाती, दूसरे लाइन में लिख सकते जिससे कि बड़ा दिखता आंसर. So try to draw the line from here. Here you don't draw. Here you draw. Then keep part B. If you are attempting part B, you keep part B in the capital letters. Then fifth answer, if you are attempting 5, keep here. And if you are attempting A, keep here and start writing. Now, tips and tricks to get O grade in your 40 marks paper. What is there, ma? What my first trick is draw the margin from here. Okay. Second trick is that if you are writing any answer, try to write its meaning, explanation, examples. See example, he is asking differences between non-renewable and renewable resources, or he is asking you classification of computer. Okay, classification of computer from these and non-renewable renewable resources from this. Directly don't start the answer. What you have to write first, what is mean by resources? How many types of resources are there? What are they? Renewable, non-renewable definitions, and start writing the differences. Here in the classification, what is a computer? Definition. What is mean by classification of computer? It means types of computers. You have to write. Then start writing the classification. Don't just directly start the answer to impress the corrector who is correcting your paper. You have to follow this procedure. Meaning, then definition or just explanation, then examples. Don't directly start writing. This is the most important tip to score O grade. If you follow this trick, then definitely O grade, ma. Okay, and one more thing. Second, then third thing is that try to mention the subheadings. I mean, example, you are writing about renewable resources. What is meant by resources? You will write then non-renewable, like that. If you are writing classification of computer, write in big computer. Okay, then start writing the meaning of it. So what I'm saying is, on whole, you have to mention the subheadings, and subheadings should be written in capital like this. Okay, capital. So that it will be clearly visible and they will understand, oh, okay, he or she is writing about the computer. Oh, okay, he or she is writing about the resources. Here I have written in the small letters. You have to write in the capital. Okay, ma? To get O grade. Getting my point? So that is one more thing. And one more thing, try to mention the examples or preventions or measures. In EVS you will be having preventions, measures, effects, causes, all that. Here you have to just briefly write, okay, these are what your tips and tricks to score 40 marks in your these subjects, 40 marks question papers. Okay, so try to write neatly. Don't use cursive writing. Cursive writing, if you are using also, it should be understandable. Okay, don't just do like that and don't just write like that. Okay, write clearly, neatly, and give one finger gap. You already know you are not small kids, yes or no? Give one finger gap and write so that answer will look big. Okay, 4 lines lo patte answer 6 lines lo padtadi. 5 lines में आधे सा आंसर एक 8 लाइन्स लेता, तो अच्छा खुल्ला खुल्ला अच्छा लिखो. मैडम మొత్తం గ్యాప్ ఇచ్చి రాయమన్నదని ఒక వర్డ్ ఇక్కడ ఒక వర్డ్ అక్కడ కాదు అమ్మ. క్లియర్గా నీట్గా ప్రజెంట్ చేసుకుంటే రాయండి. మీరు ఆల్రెडी 2 एग्जाम्स రాశారు, మీకు తెలిసి ఉండొచ్చు. आप लोगों ऑलरेडी 2 एग्जाम्स लिखे, आप लोगों को कैसा लिखना है मालूम है. मैं प्रेजेंटेशन वीडियोस, टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स टू स्कोर O ग्रेड ऑलरेडी वीडियोस डाली, तो आप लोग देखे भी होंगे. Okay, these were your paper pattern, paper presentation, as well as the tips and tricks to score O grade. Okay, see you all in the next video. Bye bye.